Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by quickly securing your session. Save open files and close non-essential apps so nothing corrupts. Once done, press Ctrl+Shift+S and find Windows Explorer in Task Manager. You will end the process and restart it by selecting File Run New Task Explorer. EXE. This refreshes the shell and often restores UI responsiveness. Make sure to note any error messages if the process fails, because that guides the deeper steps next. Now you dive into diagnostics to find root causes. Open Event Viewer to spot Explorer. EXE errors. Those codes tell you whether a driver or shell extension is to blame. Then run sfc/scano from an elevated PowerShell to repair corrupted system files, and if issues persist, run dism restore health. To catch third-party conflicts, use Shell XView to disable non-Microsoft shell extensions or perform a clean boot. Once you identify the offender, re-enable safe items and remove the problematic software. To finish, try creating a new local user and sign in. A clean profile can confirm whether user settings caused Explorer crashes. You should also reset File Explorer settings via Folder Options, Reset Folders, and Clear History, which fixes corrupted view configurations. If problems persist, document error codes from Event Viewer and consider system restore to a known good point, or as a last resort backup data and reinstall Windows. If it still fails,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.